Hello everyone! Today we wanna make the easiest classic burger. Stay tuned with Where is my mint? Okay, divide the meat into 100 gram pieces and roll it well into a small ball. The right fat for burger is 30%. Rest in the refrigerator for 15 minutes so that the cold penetrates deeply. Let's make one of the most simple and delicious burger sauce. Mix mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion powder and black pepper together. The sauce is ready. Slice the tomatoes. Pickles too. And of course, red onion. Lettuce. And last but not the least, gouda or cheddar cheese. The toppings are ready. Add salt and black pepper to the meat. And grease the spatula a little so that the meat does not stick to it. And start pressing the meat. Look at that! We want exactly the roasted meat. At the end, we put cheese on it. And it's ready. Simple but delicious means classic burger. Trust me, you will like it.